like you're all set.
You're eligible to take the behind-the-wheel drive test when you turn 16. Before going out on the test, you'll need to verify that you meet certain legal requirements. You must show proof of insurance, and your vehicle registration must be current.
And before we go on your drive test, let me have you get into the car, turn the ignition on, but don't start the engine, okay?
Okay.
Now, if you're under 18, you must also meet these additional requirements. Your vehicle must be safe to drive. The examiner will check to see that the safety features, such as turn signals and brake lights, are in good working condition. You should also be familiar with the controls of your car.
Didn't I do your hand signals?
Yes.
Great. Demonstrate them, please.
Left, right, stop.
Good. All right. Set your parking brake and then release it, please. Perfect. Press your foot on the brake and release. Okay. Honk your horn. Great. Thank you.
If there are any safety problems, you'll have to make an appointment to come back another time to take the test. Now, to save yourself from making a return trip to the DMV, it's best to check out these safety items in advance before coming in.
Now, I'm going to give you directions on where to drive. I won't trick you or ask you to do anything illegal, okay? Turn the engine on, and we'll go ahead and pull out to the right.
The examiner will evaluate how well you drive. One of the most important aspects of driving is how you visually search to see what's going on around you. Do you check for pedestrians and other cars before pulling out into traffic?
Change to the left lane, please.
How do you check to see if it's safe to make a lane change? Where do you look when going through an intersection? The examiner will also evaluate how well you operate the car. Can you start and stop the car smoothly?
At the intersection, turn left.
Can you make turns without turning too wide or too sharp? How you obey traffic signals and road signs also determines your test score. Do you know where to stop? And do you come to a complete stop? Who has the right-of-way at a stop sign? What's the maximum speed limit when driving through a residential area, a business district, or a blind intersection? There's a lot to know. Lastly, the examiner will observe the kind of judgment you use. Do you keep a safe distance from the car in front of you? Do you adjust your speed for the conditions around you, such as visibility, pedestrians, and other traffic?
Have you entered the parking lot? Make a right.
At the end of the test, the examiner will give you your score sheet and go over the results with you. And whether you pass or fail, it's important to find out what areas you need to work on.
Okay, Renee, I've observed a few things. When you're changing lanes, you look in your mirror, which is good. However, also look over your shoulder to verify it's a safe lane change. Okay. All in all, it was a satisfactory drive and you passed.
I passed?
Yes, you passed.
All right.
Okay, let's go inside.